My to-do list is giving me the hairy eyeball. I keep promising to clean it out, but there's a handful of goals that have been sitting around collecting dust for months. I can't make any progress on them. For example, I really want to figure out how to trim my beard properly. So I went to YouTube this morning and started watching tutorials. The problem is everyone uses a completely different technique. Some barbers use scissors, others use clippers, and there's the question of length. Also, should I use beard balm or oil? And what if my hair is too curly to trim? Like, what if I screw up and have to shave it all off? It's like I'm stuck in the productivity version of Groundhog Day. I keep putting effort into my problems, but not quite enough to solve them. And every day I have to start from scratch. So, what exactly makes a problem solvable? Here's a really simple test. Before you put a task on your to do list, see if you can divide it. For example, switch to body weight workouts is a hard problem to solve because it can be divided into lots of smaller tasks. On the other hand, buy a book on body weight workouts is a great goal because it's specific and doesn't need to be split into subtasks. I 100% know that I can get that done even if my day goes to hell. It's the whole tortoise versus hare dynamic. Buying a book might seem like a wimpy goal, but there's a real sense of satisfaction in knowing that you took a permanent step forward and won't have to redo some half-assed bullshit in 2 months. So, what can you nail down today?